Welcome you all who are eager to learn the Python. Here, the beginner potential guide. Do you want to learn the Python program in a fun way and the two fastest growing language? That is Python. So here we are. Welcome to our learning platform. In this series, you will learn Python from start to end. The only prerequisite is our time. Hope you all get comfort seated. If you are not done programming before, that is completely fine because in this series we will start from scratch. So this series fun to learn and that too is freely available. You will learn the entire program for free. Here, what matter is one of fastest growing language. You can talk about libraries, companies, GUI development, software development, web development, everywhere. So it is called as general purpose language. So come to the point. What is Python? Python is a programming language, but also an interpreted language, object-oriented language, high-level language. So this kind of things are all inside the Python. So getting started with our today concepts. Hope you are all installing the Python from the web browser. The installation is very easy. Hope you all getting this. Learn how to harness the power of Python to bring your creative ideas to life. The simplicity and the availability of Python code make the beauty of the language. So get dive into today's concepts. Today we are going to see about the contents like how to display the output in Python and how to use the variables in Python and what are the conditions are including in this Python and how they are working. So this kind of stuffs are we seeing in this class. So displaying the output. Showing the output is one of the core functionalities everywhere. So when you are searching for anything on web browser, you are expected to see the result. So when we are using the calculator, we are expected to see the result like. So similarly in programming language, we are intended to showing the result. So how to make this? Let's see. I will show you. Yeah. Here is the Python environment. Thinking about how to showing the output. In Python, showing the output, we're just using the print keyword. See, whatever in this bracket with the strings, it can be printed as an output. So let's see. Hello, guys. I'm just typing. So then save it, then run. We get the output as hello guys. So whatever inside this angular bracket will give us the output as the thing inside the bracket. So like welcome, then save it, then run it. We get the output as welcome. This is the way to showing the output. Hope you guys understand. Python variables are simply a containers for storing a value. A lot of things could change, they can vary. For simplicity, you can think a variable as vary plus able. Yeah, it could might vary for everything. So think about like your age was changing every year. but the country name was stable. So this kind of things are using by the variable thing. As a programmer, you will write variables every day. And it is very simple to write a variable. You will need just three things: a name, an equal sign, and a value. I will show you. As you know, a variable is something whose value could be changed. This means you can change the value of your likes variable as many times as needed. So I can show you how to use the variable. I can just simply type a likes equal to 45, then hit enter, then likes equal to 30. Then here the likes is act as a name. The value 45 is just act as a value, and the equal signs explicit the value is just assigned to the name of like. So when we just simply print likes, then save it. When we run, everything inside the double quotes will be the output. So I'm taking this. Now save it, then run. The output is seen to be the 30. So the last thing is you just take the loss value and just print it. So this is the way to use the variables in Python. Hope you understand. For the conditions, look, the Python just support the usual logic conditions like equals, not equals, less than. These are the basic mathematical function. These kind of things are used in Python to make the things as conditions. So writing the things is also very similar to the statements you wrote in English. So let's think about a situation like you drop your best friend's phone in the street or in the water. Now you have to buy him a new phone. You only have a 500 in your pocket. Now you're thinking if the price of the Samsung is less than 500, you will buy the Samsung phone. Otherwise, you will buy the other company phone. You can write the situation like this. So, if the price is less than 500, I will buy the Samsung phone. Else, I will happy with the other. This scenario is followed in our Python. So let's just writing the code for this. I'll show you how to make this code. As I said, if the price is less than 500, I will buy the Samsung phone or I will happy with the other one. Similarly, the writing of the code is just similar to the statement as we talk about. So here, just remember about the first line. Forget the first line. So this is the condition. If the price is less than 500, I will buy the Samsung phone. Yes, I will happy with the other one. This price is act as a conditions, and if the condition is true, then it just print this line. If the condition is false, it just print this line. So now we will give the price as 400 and just simply assigning a value as this is the way as defining a variable. So here the 400, this value is just simply assigned to the price. Just looking the code, the 400 is assigned to the price. Here just imagine the price is equal to 400. So the 400 is less than 500. If the condition is true, then I will buy the Samsung phone. Just first save it. Then run the Python modules. Yeah. I will buy the Samsung phone. This is the way to show the conditions. If The condition is false. Let's make it false. See, just assuming a value as 600, then save it. If I'm running the output, see here, I will happy with the other one. Look, this is the way. So, if the condition is true, print this one. Else means the condition is false, then print this one. Hope you understand. These are all the things. We just come to the end of the session.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!